is, let's see Puff in the background. Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Kelly and welcome to KaylayCreates. So today is my first attempt and probably last attempt at a Halloween look. I did run out of lighting at the end of the video. I didn't expect it to take so long. It took me well over an hour to do this look. But I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. This is kind of inspired by all those videos where people are like pulling on a mask and things like that. So I always joke around that I'm a mermaid, so I'm pulling off my human mask to go to mermaid. So I got my gills, my purple body, my ears are even purple a little bit. But yeah, if you guys want to see how I got this look, just follow along. Alright, so just a warning, I have no idea what I'm doing, and this is just going to be playing it by ear. It might turn out awful, but we will see how it goes. I had inspiration. This specific one is inspired by NikkieTutorials' mask tutorial. The mermaid idea is all me. Okay, so I'm going to begin by sketching out where I'm going to be peeling, if that makes any sense. And I want it to be like coming up like here. So like the rest of my body is mermaidy and then this is just human, I guess. So I'm gonna do like I'm using a NYX Wonder Pencil. I'm using that to sketch this out. Keep my roommate Maddie. Hello. And then next I'm just gonna be doing my glam makeup from here down. So I'm just gonna speed through that as well because you guys have seen me do my glam makeup lots of times. So I'm just going to be showing you guys the products and then just doing them, not talking about it. Okay, so next I'm going to just draw on the scales using my Pretty Vulgar gel liner and a It Cosmetics little liner brush. I am not quite sure what shape I really want these in. Draw gills on the side of my neck. And this is just a basic line for these gills. I am going to be changing the color of my neck. So this is just kind of outlining where they'll be. If you guys have black face paint, this would also work. I just have this liner that I almost never use, so I thought I might as well use it. Okay, and then I'm going to fill in all of these scales in different colors. So I'm gonna be doing some glitter, some purple, blues, all of that. And I guess I will speed through that as well, or else this is gonna be a 7,000 year long video. I have a scale beard. And then I'm going to color my neck purple and my ears. I'm going to use my Morphe palette in this purple again with a larger brush and just fill that in. And then I'm going to outline my little sketchy part with some liquid eyeliner, my NYX one, just to show where I'm lifting. I'm actually going to fill in my whole nose. blend that out a little bit with my fluffy brush. And before this gets too dark to see at all, I'm going to put on some lipstick. I have my NYX Liquid Lip Suede. It's in the color Alien. It's a black lipstick. So I'm going to put this on. I'm going to pull it out a little bit further. I'm going to just take my hair down, move in a little bit of light, and then I'll do a final reveal. Alright, and this is the final look. This is my final form as a mermaid. If I had a little bit more time with a little bit more lighting, I would have brought the scales down my neck, but I didn't really have any other choice. But I'm pretty happy with how it looks. I definitely can improve. This is my first try at anything even sort of FX-y. I already have black lipstick on my teeth. Cool. But I'm pretty happy with how it looks. If you guys like it, give it a big thumbs up. If you guys have any suggestions, leave a comment down below. And if you guys like me, subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you. And I hope to see you guys again next time. Bye.